So let's recap on this grilled cheese. It has multigrain bread, a mix of truffle oil and olive oil, a bed of Fontina cheese, some spicy chilies, green onion, which is my favorite, and I'm gonna show you one secret. I have a cast iron pan working. My ultimate secret for an amazing crunchy grilled cheese is mayonnaise, but not on the inside of the sandwich, on the outside of the sandwich. Let's close this up, and just like a normal person will brush a sandwich with butter before hitting the grill, I dab it with a thin layer of mayonnaise. Now, mayonnaise, as you might know, it's an emulsion between eggs and oil. So the eggs cooked in that oil generate a crunchy exterior that you're not gonna believe. It also doesn't make it fatty at all. I'm gonna splatter there. You hear it going? And now I'm gonna go on the other side. And then gently press to allow the heat to get in and just start building a beautiful crust. Okay, come here. Look at that. It's golden, it's crispy, and it's completely melted on the inside. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh, the truffle really comes through. Oh, I can't give down. There's a tad hint of the spice of the chilies, a little green, a little extra sea salt,